Good morning, everyone. Okay, I'm live. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to my morning coffee chat and also attraction marketing business, my journey in this online business. Okay, welcome. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and bell all. That way you'll be notified every time I go live. And also smash that likey button. Thank you so much. And also, okay, feel free to share our live as well. So grab your coffee. If you happen to see me here right away, come on over and grab your coffee. I know we have different time zone right now. I just finished live in my Facebook and my business page. So as usual, so Lucina here from Cebu Island, Philippines. I am here to entertain you and inspire you and sharing your dreams. I'm not selling anything. I'm sharing you business opportunity. Are you someone out there that looking for extra income or side hustle that can supplement your paycheck to paycheck? I saw this few years ago and I didn't dare to do it. So by doing this over 2 years now, so I'm like to share it to you because I see it in our global community. We just celebrated our 51st year anniversary. It was held in Chula Vista, California is our global convention. Okay, the business is you don't need to sell, you don't need to beg, you don't need to do stocking, no shipping, you don't need to do the shipping and handling. 90% the system doing the heavy lifting, only you can do is 10%. So if you have 10% and you can be like me, you don't need to quit your job. It's what I do. This is my side hustle. Yeah, this is my corporate escape plan. All right. So our job is replaceable. So if you're not positioning yourself, it's not good. Welcome. Thank you so much. Feel free to smash the like button, everyone. Welcome here and where you're watching from. Let's do some quick live over here because got a lot of things to do today. So finishing up my coffee is black coffee for now, no creamer. Mimi Game, where you watching from? Comment down below what state and what is your... I am going to do forecasting here. Weather forecast muna ako, alright? Smash the likey button. I am going to check the weather temperature in our state here. Let's see. Alright, weather forecast here. You can see sunny. Right now, it is gonna be... All right, 88 degrees today, 88 degrees. Then humidity is 66%. No rain, but it rained 2 days ago. All right, Thursday, tomorrow is 88. Mostly sunny, 16%. Chance of rain naman siya, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be. Friday, mostly sunny, 88 as well. 24 degrees. Saturday, 92, 13% chance of rain. Sunday, mostly sunny, 91, 24. Monday, the following week after this is scattered thunderstorm, 46% chance of rain. And Tuesday, 82, partly cloudy, 24%. Wednesday, thunderstorm, 50% chance of rain. 2 days in a row. So it's gonna be rain few times in next week. 83, 43% chance of rain. So Friday, partly cloudy, 24. Hello. You can open up Jersey store. I know that is what I was talking about because a friend of mine. Good morning, welcome here. I have 13 amazing, beautiful people. Guys, if you can do me a favor, smash the like button. That would be greatly appreciated. And also, comment down below where you're watching from, what state. I know because while I was having... Well, I was doing this morning coffee. I was using different cup, and my friend, she went back to the Philippines, and I was surprised. I wasn't really expected. And when we had get together, she told me, I have something for you. So what's that? Coffee mug. When I opened it, I see the picture, the one I have in my profile picture in my YouTube channel. Then thank you so much. Yeah, maybe. Where are you from? You can open up Jersey store. Jersey store. To my channel. Merchant. Think, oh yeah. Anyway, where are you from? Okay. I'm originally from from Philippines. Philippines, everybody. I'm from the Philippines and now I'm in the USA, everyone. And I'm here to share your dreams, sharing you business opportunity. Learn with Lucina. If you want to learn with me in this business, it's just amazing. It's the flexibility, guys. So check it out. I have the Brett Glass. Hey, Brett. Good to see you. Thank you so much, Brett. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. All right. We have people from India in our global community. All right. We have people from India. Yes. Well, because we are global communities. So yes, you see that. Lots of people, amazing, beautiful people. Anyway. Hey, Brett. Okay, that is our weather temperature in the US. Stay busy in the chat, guys. Say hello to everyone. Are you upset to me? I'm having fun. I'm having fun drinking my coffee. I'm not upset. Why should I upset to you guys? All right. I'm going to check weather temperature in Cebu Island, Philippines. Oh no. No. I'm not upset. I'm just telling you that we have people in our global community. Okay, it's an attraction. All right, let me see. All right, that's the wrong one. I am doing great. Oh, thank you. Good to see you here. All right, I'm going to stay busy in the chat, guys. I am going to do forecasting here. Let's do some variety. All right, grab your coffee. I am going to check what the weather temperature right now in the Philippines. It is evening over there. It is 9:49 p.m. Tonight, the lowest weather temperature there is 79 degrees. All right, 79. Thursday, 92. Thunderstorm. Friday, thunderstorm again. Rain. Saturday, 93. Thunderstorm and rain. Sunday, 92. Monday, 92. Rain again. It's always rain over there. Tuesday, 91. Wednesday, 91. Is high 90s, really. But the only the lowest temperature there when during at night. That's the only one. The weather here is really right now. Hang on. Let me see. I have a lot of Cebu. I have a lot of Cebu open here. All right. Mag-forecasting ako just for fun. Okay, here we go. Our weather temperature here is gonna be 87. Not even 10 o'clock yet. It's 87. And then tomorrow is gonna be in the 80s. And then Thursday 89 degrees, Friday 89, Saturday 93, Sunday 93, thunderstorm. So this week it's gonna be like, hang on ha. Next week is gonna be like few days gonna be like a thunderstorm. 55. Sensible man, great morning. How are you guys doing? Grab your coffee. Welcome to Lucina's morning coffee chat. Thank you so much. Block coffee for now, for change. Thank you. All right. Yeah, I just finished live in my Facebook. So I am going to tell you guys here. Okay. All right. So, guys, all right. Any plans for this Independence Day, right? July 4th? It's kind of, it's fall into, was it like a Friday? Is that July 4th? Hang on a second. Let's see. So, see my calendar over here. I'm right. Friday. 55, huh? I heard in Arizona, guys, it's 114 degrees, 113. So, let me see here. Hang on a second. I'm telling, no special plans for you. Good, good, good. I am telling you guys, okay? I'm telling you this story. So, there is this house, as you know me, I do some real estate as well. All right, I do some real estate because I'm a firm believer in this, like, to take a risk. Be a risk taker is only the one that we can get there what we want it to be, right? Time freedom, right? Financial freedom. So yesterday I was kind of looking something for this house. This house always, every time I go to Zellow's, this house is always popping up. I was in that house already. I made an offer for this house, okay? So there is this, me and my agent went there. I was already parked there. And I think I was doing, while I was waiting for her, I was already in the driveway that I was doing in live in my YouTube. And she pulled in and she said, you can't park there. So why? Because that's a next door neighbor's driveway. So where should I park? So I don't think this house has a parking. So where they park the car in the streets? And we have to find that out. But anyway, there's an apartment building behind that house. So, and I went there and look around. And then I said, okay, it's perfect for rental property. The house, the bathroom is carpeted. So I've never seen a bathroom carpeted. So I said, do you think the owner for this will accept for this kind of price? Because this one needs new carpet and definitely needs new bathroom. But I don't care about the kitchen counter. The kitchen counter is what's okay. That's what I was looking at it. And then so I don't think he will accept the price. So I trying to offer $25,000. So I offered $25,000 to my agents. I don't think it was just listed. I don't think they will accept for that one. But anyway, long story short, guys, it kept popping up. All right. And then my son called me, Mom, there's this house over here. What do you think of this one? Then I checked. Man, that's the house that I went there a couple of months ago. Then I called my agent. Hey, how about this house? It went down to it dropped the price 10,000 low. It dropped $10,000 below. Anyway, I made an offer. Then I called my bank. Will you finance this kind of amount of money? So yes. Okay, this is kind of a, curiosity is really, if you're really curious something, the banker, I just found that out yesterday. So okay, I'd like to use other people's money. So okay, this house is only, I made an offer for this. How much I made an offer for $26,000, guys. All right, two amazing beautiful people here. I made an offer $26,000. Okay, doesn't hurt to try. Because they encountered, they said, oh, there's an offer if you want to do $30,000. Then I said, but you have to do the I don't know if the bank gonna repairs something like that. Then I said, okay, 30,000. Then I thought, okay, then you have 6 months to fix it. Okay, you have 6 months to fix it. And then, wait, Brett, thank you, Brett. You have to do that, Brett. So they have 6 months to fix it. And then I said, okay, 30,000. Then my banker said, my agent said, are you going to encounter offer for the owners to 30,000? And then it was past the inspection already, and the house was appraised 40,000. And then the reason why the owner didn't follow through, because they